In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto capture meeting screens in Otter AI. This feature automatically saves snapshots of the screens shared during your meetings and embeds them right into your Otter notes. It's great for capturing slide titles, diagrams, and action items without scrambling to take manual screenshots. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on so it works reliably going forward. Start on the Otter.ie homepage in your web browser. From the main dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might look like a small avatar or initial. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the central place where Otter stores your personal, transcription, and meeting preferences. We'll make a quick adjustment here to ensure screens are captured automatically whenever you're in a supported meeting. Inside Account Settings, navigate to the Meetings section. This tab groups together options that affect how Otter behaves during live meetings and when sharing notes. It's the right place to manage anything that influences what gets recorded alongside your transcript. Within the Meetings section, find the option labeled Auto Capture Meeting Screens. This is the control that tells Otter to automatically take snapshots when someone shares their screen. When enabled, those snapshots appear in your meeting note as images aligned to the transcript timeline, making it easier to review context later and jump straight to the most important visuals. Now, turn this feature on. Click the toggle so it switches to on. Once you do, Otter will begin capturing shared screens automatically during supported calls. You'll see the images appear in your notes after the meeting starts and a screen is actually shared. If your organization uses strict permissions, you may see a prompt the first time asking for access. Allow it so Otter can capture the visuals. A few quick tips to make the most of this setting. Be mindful of privacy and compliance expectations for your team or clients. Let participants know that meeting visuals may be captured in your notes. If you don't see the auto capture option, your workspace plan or admin settings might control it. In that case, check with your administrator. And if you ever need to stop capturing visuals, return to the same setting and switch it back off. That's it. From the home page, click your profile icon, open account settings, go to meetings, find auto capture meeting screens, and turn it on. You're all set to enrich your notes with the key visuals that matter.